The mammalian heart has a so-called double circulation, and this is what I'm going to explain on this foil. Over here, in this box over here, we have our lungs. This box down here represents the other part of the body, the rest of the body. Rest of body. And I'm not going to label this now, but this is of course the heart. And as you can see, it has a right and left side. This side over here is the right side of the heart. This one over here is the left side of the heart, because right and left are always labeled from the person whose heart it is. And a double circulation means that we have blood going from the heart to the lungs and then back to the heart, then to the body, back to the heart. So how does this work? We start over here at the left side of the heart. The blood flows out from the left side of the heart to the rest of the body. And I'm going to draw an arrow over here. Over here at the body, the cells take out the nutrients and the oxygen. They release carbon dioxide into the blood, and the blood will flow back to the heart over here. And I'm going to draw it a little bit more on the side, because this is the so-called the right atrium over here. The blood flows into the heart pumps, and it flows out again over here to the lungs. At the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen, gives off carbon dioxide, and from the lungs, the blood flows back to the heart. Okay, so that is basically the double circulation. We have over here on the left side, we have oxygenated blood. So we have O2 rich blood. And on the right side of the heart, we have deoxygenated blood, or CO2 rich blood. Because the CO2 comes from the rest of the body and is then given off again at the lungs for oxygen to be picked up. This part over here at the top is referred to as the pulmonary circulation. And the part down here, which includes the rest of the body, is the systemic circulation. And you might wonder now, why is it so complicated? Why not simply have it from the heart to the lungs, then to the rest of the body, back to the heart? Much simpler. Well, the problem is because at the rest of the body there are so many capillaries, and the blood pressure drops, so that the blood pressure would not be, so that it has to go back to the heart to gain new blood pressure to be picked up at the lungs. And because there are also many capillaries here, the blood pressure drops again. It has to go back to the heart so that the blood pressure can be picked up, increased again. So double circulation written down in text, it goes heart, and in this case the left side of the heart. We go to the body, we go back to the heart, in this case the right side of the heart, and then we go to the lungs, and we go back to the left side of the heart. And this is basically a different way of writing, explaining the double circulation.